This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by the Knodel team, Lonnie and Jewell Knodel. Clean and move in ready single level. Spacious backyard on dead-end street. Spacious, open floor plan. Living room with gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings. Large master suite with soaker tub, double sinks and large walk-in closet. Laminate hardwood floors for easy maintenance. Easy access to shopping, bus and Sunset Corridor. Intel is only minutes away. For more information, review the details below or contact the Knodel team, Lonnie and Jewell Knodel at 503-681-9446.